And so a way to de-risk, let's say, the readiness of having a CMC package ready to go to file your IND to get into the clinics is to start early, perhaps before the full picture of what your drug is intended to do becomes evident and clear to the people who are developing that drug. And so what are the consequences of that? I think for platform products which fit the platform process well, maybe it's not such a big risk. You'll start plugging your molecule into the platform process, try to develop the most productive cell line, et cetera. And that's something that we, as CMC scientists and developers, all sort of aspire to anyway. But I think what is less clear then is how much of the drug will you need to make to satisfy your phase 1 requirements? How much of the drug will you need to satisfy your phase 3 or commercial requirements? What does that process need to look like? What are the cost of goods that'll make your program competitive and successful? What is the formulation of your drug going to be? Are you planning to administer it as an IV or as a subcutaneous administration? These sorts of information and bits of information, I think, are really critical to have a good understanding of at the beginning, before you've really invested a lot of time and effort into developing your drug. And my experience has been that we often don't have that full picture at the beginning when CMC development is starting.
So when would then be a good time to start the CMC development, Gene?